Now I would request Mr. Shubhashish Sarkar to come up on the stage and felicitate our chief guest. I would also request again Mrs. Kiran Khurana ji to come up and accept a token of appreciation. Ji, please enter.
वेलकम तालियों के साथ ही होता है, जोरदार। Ma'am, before we felicitate you, we would request you to kindly say a few words.
First of all, I'd like to thank Subhashish sir. He was my teacher when I came here, and my daughter's teacher as well. So thank you so much for all this, for the honor, for the love. And secondly, I will say that he has been very hardworking throughout. And please, jo bhi sikho, be persistent and be continuous to do something with full dedication and love. That is the only key to success. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am, for your wise words. Can we now have Mr. Deepak Sajnani ji to come up on the stage? Round of applause for him, everyone. Yes, this should be the welcome.
सुभाषिश जी, मैं आपके लिए जितने शब्द बोलूं वो कम है. Ladies and gentlemen, today my kids are 29 years old. Since my kids were 2 years old, this guy has done the grooming. इन्होंने उनको ग्रूम किया, डांस सिखाया. मेरे बच्चे और इवन मेरी जो बहू है, उनको भी he has been the mentor. So this guy has given a lot to the society here. Since he came here in Indian Women's Club, really? In SY 12, I remember that. He has done a marvelous job to this society. Secondly, Sarika. He adopted Sarika. He brought Sarika here when Sarika was like, what, 7, 8 years old? The energy, the grooming, the upbringing of that kid. What he has done, I think is no less than the real father or anyone else could do. And my heart goes all for him, to support him on each and every moment. और मैं आप लोगों से भी हाथ जोड़ के ये निवेदन करूँगा, please support him all the way. He is a good guy, good soul, and he has taken great care of our children. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, and we agree to that totally. Can I invite now Mr. Sunil Kothari ji on the stage? Round of applause for him, everyone. थोड़ा जोर से, एनर्जी फीकी नहीं पड़नी चाहिए.
नमस्कार. मैं आशीष जी के लिए बहुत ही अंतर्मन से तारीफ करूँगा कि इन्होंने जो अपने यहाँ पे बच्चे हैं उनके लिए एक ऐसा स्टेज तैयार करा है और उनके टैलेंट को बाहर निकाल के लाए हैं। बच्चों को उनसे एक बहुत बड़ा वो मिला है, उत्साह मिला है, उनको एक एनर्जी और अपना जो टैलेंट है वो शो करने के लिए एक स्टेज मिला है। तो इसके लिए मैं आपको बहुत ही अंतर्मन से धन्यवाद एवं आशीर्वाद दूंगा एवं आप सभी लोगों से प्रार्थना करूंगा कि आप सभी अपन सभी मिलके इनको जितना सपोर्ट कर सकें इस कार्य को आगे बढ़ाने में और यहाँ के बच्चों में और ये टैलेंट को डेवलप कर पाएँ। तो हमेशा इनको सपोर्ट कीजिए, साथ दीजिएगा, यही मेरी आपसे निवेदन है। धन्यवाद।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर। I would also like to mention about all our sponsors whose contribution play an active role in making our program successful. So we have with us Indorama, Mr. Deepak Nahata. Can we have you sir here please? Mr. Deepak Nahata or anybody from Indorama. Okay, next we have Palyana. Can I invite Ms. Kiran Khurana ji? Or maybe we could do so like, if we could felicitate her there because, I mean, like. Can we now have Mr. Naveen Batwara ji, Decent Gems, on the stage. इतनी फीकी थालियां, हमने नाश्ता किया है, थोड़ा जोर से एनर्जी। Round of applause again. मुझे लगा शायद माइक काम नहीं कर रहा था इसलिए आप तक पहुंचा नहीं कि तालियां तालियां अब पहुंचे. It is more louder now, isn't it? Can we have Gaurav ji from Saras? Okay, moving on. Can we have Mahesh Bhai Hingar ji from ED? Round of applause if they make it or they don't make it. At least see if they'll see a video. Can we have Saurabh Gandhi ji from Exclusive Diamonds here on the stage? Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Talia, Talia. It's the couple here now. Earlier only singles were receiving. Can we have somebody from Babu Nar? Okay, moving on. Anyone from Bharat Choice? Can we have Mr. Shivraj Lodha from Naira Creations? Round of applause for him, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you for the opportunity.
Can we have Rohit Mohta ji from Giri Corporations? I would request to just continue your round of applause. These are the people among us, influencers who influence us and make us move forward. Ruchira Bhabhi, no, only couples coming now. Decked up in her attire, we will wait for her to come. Can we have Ravi Yadav ji from KGK? Can we have Neeraj ji from Delhi Sweets? Acha, okay. So can we have Ravi ji's better half on the stage, please? Can we have his wife to accept the token of appreciation? Anjali ji. Okay, moving on. Can we have Neeraj ji from Delhi? Acha, she's there. Round of applause. थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे चलता है, लेडीज को आने में टाइम लगता है, सो इट्स ओके. कैन वी हैव जिनल शाह फ्रॉम कासा बैम्बिनो और एनीबडी फ्रॉम देयर? ये नाम सुनते ही सब बच्चों के आईब्रोज और हाथ पैर सब हो गए क्योंकि ये स्कूल का नाम है. सो So on behalf of Jinal ji, Archana ji would accept her token of appreciation. And thank you all for your patience. Isn't it, sir? They were such a good audience. Thank you, everyone. So now, I would like you all to take a deep breath and listen to something which needs recognition. So now I have certain words for somebody and they go like this: hard work, persistence, positive attitude, energy. These adjectives signifies just one person who has given 30 years, yes, 30 years of hard work, no sitting down, continuing with the same pace and with the same spirit. Yes, you are right, I am talking about Mr. Subhashish Sarkar. Can we have you here, sir? We need you. And the other Riser family members, Mrs. Jalpa Zaveri and Mrs. Supriti Sarkar. Recognition needs applause. Both are connected. Sir, it's your moment. So I know you don't speak much. I have heard and everybody has said that sir doesn't say anything, but today it's your moment and I would like you to just to say a few words. सिर्फ few ही बोल दीजिए आज.
I love my students.
Great people speak less words. So thank you. Okay. Now, after all these performances जहाँ हमने भगवान को धन्यवाद किया, हमने अपने लोगों को धन्यवाद किया, हम चलते हैं आज के मेन पर्पस, मेन थीम की जगह, हमारी संस्कृति, हमारा कल्चर. Today we embrace our program showcasing the rich cultural heritage of our country, जो भिन्नता में भी एकता का प्रतीक है. तो आइए शुरुआत करते हैं उस खूबसूरती के लिए जिसके लिए मैं यही कहना चाहूँ, गर फिरदौस बरू अमी अस्तो अमी अस्तो अमी अस्तो. अगर जन्नत है कहीं तो बस यही है, यही है, यही है. जी हाँ, मैं बात कर रही हूँ कश्मीर की.